This way. Show everybody how you're doing. Come on, let's go this way. Come with Mama. I don't have your leash today. Show everybody. Let's go this way. Let's go walking. You got to stay with Mama. Yeah, he's doing pretty good. He hasn't been walking though for all week. So I carry him in a pouch when I walk. He loves standing under the cars because there's shade. It's supposed to be around 90 something today. Come here, Cole. We're going this way. Come on. Yeah, he's doing pretty good. He doesn't show his limping until towards the end of the day. Come on, honey. Come on. You coming with Mama? Come on. You coming with Mama? Cole, let's go. I forgot his leash. Come on. Hey. Hey. Let's walk. There, he's carrying it. Let's walk. Let's go this way. I think possibly getting a brace on him, maybe, because he does, you can see how he carries that back leg. He does pretty good. That's the bad leg that he's got up in the air right now, so